Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video of Ankita Zora. Today's video is going to be very interesting and I promise it will be very beneficial for all of you because I'm going to share my COVID vaccination story with everyone, and not just that, I'm also going to share the side effects which I had. So don't get scared hearing the term side effect. It is actually good if you get side effect because it is building up your immunity. But interestingly, I got a very rare side effect which most of them did not have. It was I think only few people have experienced this side effect. None of my family member had this, and that is why I was very worried and anxious about it. And then I thought, why not I make a video to like share it with everyone so that everyone is aware that this can also happen with them if they are vaccinated. And that is why this video is here. So please watch the full video so that you are aware what all can happen with you and my experience as well. Starting the video, I would like to mention that please do subscribe to my channel. You all mean the world to me. So whoever is new to my channel, please do subscribe, and who have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, now without doing any further delay, let's get started with our video. So first I will start with how to do the registration in the COWIN website. So we can do the registration from Arogya Setu app or from the COWIN website. I have used the COWIN website, and in the website I have registered myself, my husband, my sister. Basically we can register 4 people using one phone number, and for registration we need our identity proof. So I have used Aadhaar card for all of us to do the registration. So once the registration is done, it's very simple process. Book slots, we can schedule our vaccination. So I stay in Pune, and vaccines where there was a shortage of vaccines, so booking vaccination slot was a very hectic job for me. It had taken almost 48 hours for me to book 3 slots. Yes, you hear it right, 48 hours. So at the first day, like I did the booking on Saturday for my husband, so I was there for almost 5-6 hours. I was trying to book, and then luckily I got one slot for my husband and for 26th of May, and then that day I did not get any other slot for me or my sister, so I tried the next day as well on Sunday. Luckily I got both the for both of us I got slot in the same hospital. So my husband got it on 26th, and even we got it on 26th of May, but we were like we had different hospitals. So whoever is in Pune, they are aware of the hospital name. So my husband went to Sahyadri Hospital, Hadapsar, and me and my sister went to Ruby Hall Hospital. Finally today the most awaited day has come. So today is 26th of May and today is my vaccination day. So I woke up pretty soon and got ready, and it's a bright sunny day. So on the vaccination day, it is very important that we have a very heavy breakfast. So every one of us had taken a very heavy breakfast, and then we got ready. By ready I mean we had done double masking before going. We had taken sanitizer. Most important, we had taken the Aadhaar card with us and the appointment slip. So when you schedule the vaccination, you get an appointment slip which you have to download. It is in PDF form. And apart from that, I had taken sanitizer, which is very important, and then you need to double mask. You need to be very careful because there would be rush, there would be many people who will come for vaccination. So a cloth mask, above that surgical mask is must. And then we were ready, we went to the hospital. हम लोगों ने डबल मास्किंग कर लिया है और फिर हम लोग जा रहे हैं अभी वैक्सीनेशन. तो आज के दिन हम लोग सबको मिल गया है डेट, मुझे, मेरे हस्बैंड को, और मेरी सिस्टर भी है पीछे. तो हम लोग सब जा रहे हैं. मेरे और मेरे सिस्टर का सेम हॉस्पिटल है और मेरे हस्बैंड को थोड़ा आगे जाना पड़ेगा, तो वो हम लोगों को ड्रॉप करते हुए आगे जाएंगे. तो बहुत नर्वसनेस हो रही है, तो चलिए देखते हैं कैसे होता है. At now, like our slot was at 9 a.m. So we reached our destination at 8:30 a.m. in the morning, and dropping us, our like my husband went for his hospital. And when we reached the hospital, that is Ruby Hall Clinic, we saw that there was a long queue there. It was 8:30, and then still there was a long queue. And then the vaccination did not start. The vaccination drive did not start. So I had a word with the watchman over there. He said that once the drive starts, it will be quick, but right now we need to be in the queue, and they will give us a token number, and according to the token we need to proceed. So we were in the queue for about 30 minutes, and then the vaccination drive started at 9 or 9:05, and then we got our token. I got a token number of 52. So there were 51 people ahead of me, and then we went to the place where the vaccination had to be taken. It was very systematic there in Ruby Hall Hospital. They had 4 counters for registration, 4 counters for payment, and then 4 counters for the vaccine shot. Yes, payment, I am mentioning payment over here because in Pune, or I don't know about the other places, but in Pune it is now private hospitals are given the vaccines, and we got one of the slot in private hospitals, and they had charged 900 rupees from us. So yes, that is why first we need to show our Aadhaar card and the appointment slip which we got, and then the hospital did a registration of us. Then we went to the payment counter, we did the payment, and then we went to the vaccine booth where we got the vaccine. It was very quick. I had got Covishield 0.5 ml shot here in the left arm, and yes, it was very quick. Just I went there, I had signed, and then they had given me the shot. So that's it, done. So once the vaccination is done, the authorities informed us that before we leave to collect our certificates, so it was been given there itself. So we took our certificates, and then it was done. We went back our home, and then comes the most interesting part, that is the side effects. So while we were heading towards our home, me and my sister were discussing, are we feeling anything? So after the shot was been given, I felt a tingling sensation in the site where the injection was pushed, and my sister, she started feeling little heaviness in her arm. So it was very usual thing. So tingling sensation which I had was something which I was not aware of. Then I asked my sister if she is also having tingling sensation, and she said that no, she does not have. And then I called my husband, he was in a different hospital, and he also got the vaccine shot, and he also said that he is not feeling anything. So we came back home, and until evening we did not feel anything. Like, me and my husband did not feel anything except for a slight tingling sensation which I had. My husband did not feel anything at all, and my sister, her hand started paining. So she was feeling pain, she was feeling heaviness in her arm, and that was it. Then by evening 7:30 8 p.m, like, we got our vaccine shot in the morning 9:45 to be specific, and by the evening 7:38 my husband started feeling feverish. He got chills, and at night he had got fever, headache, body ache, the usual symptoms. Similarly, even the same thing happened for my sister. She also got fever, she got headache, and then she had the heaviness in her arm and pain in her arm, and the usual thing. For me, quite surprisingly, I did not feel much. I had slight headache, slight fever, but then my tinglingness in the injection site increased a bit, and I did not feel anything. Then we slept. The next day when we woke up, I had a big red patch here. it was swollen, it was red, it was firm, and it was very hot to touch. So it was swollen. None of them had in my home. Like my mother, she got it before, she did not have anything as such. My sister, my husband, and all our other relatives who got vaccinated earlier did not have this red patch in their arm. So it was only me. 2 days passed, and in 2 days all our other side effects like fever, headache, dizziness, everything went away, even for me. But my this redness was still there. It was still there on the 3rd day, and on the 3rd day I got quite anxious and worried that it is the 3rd day after the vaccination and still I have this red patch. Why? And then I started panicking. I started doing Google search about it. I started reading lot of things, and I have found out that there is a side effect named as COVID arm, which usually happens when Moderna vaccine is been given. But for me it was Covishield, and I was thinking, even with Covishield, why did I get this? It should not be there. So then I decided to take online consultation with one of the doctor. She said it is injection site inflammation, if to give ice pack, and if it does not reduces, then to visit her. I was quite nervous at that time, and then I thought that I should take an consultation with some other doctor and see their opinion as well. So I took another consultation, and they said that it is rare side effect. It is not seen in maximum of the people, but then there are handful of people who did get this sort of redness bump in their hand, and it will eventually be okay. So, and to apply ice pack, keep applying ice pack of every 3 to 4 hours. So I did that. It was so warm that when I used to put the ice pack, it used to instantly like melt. It was so warm, and it was painful as well. But now you see I don't have any pain here. It was in this place. I have the picture which I have given it in the video. Yes, the pain was there. It almost took me 1 week to get that redness fade away. Eventually it goes. So I took my vaccination on 26th, and today it is today it is 5th of June, and I can say I don't have anything here. I don't have any pain, I don't have any irritation, or I don't have any itching, I don't have the redness. I just have a small black dot in the injection site, which is very common, and yes, no other side effects. So this side effect, having a COVID arm or having a red patch in the injection site, is rare, but it is not something deadly. It happens to it has happened to quite many people. So yes, if you have this side effect, please don't worry, it goes away. I have also spoken with people. It had taken 15 days for some to eventually fade away and be normal. Luckily for me, on the 7th day I was almost absolutely fine, 7th to 8th day. So eventually it goes away. It is just a sort of rash, skin rash, and it shows that the vaccine is working on your body, and you should not be worried about it. So apart from fever, headache, body ache, dizziness, or nausea, you can also have red patch in the injection site or nearby. It could be swollen, it is firm to touch, and it is also warm. So if you have that, please don't get worried. It is common side effect, and you will be all right. So having said that, please get vaccinated. If you are not vaccinated still, please do get vaccinated. It is very important to fight COVID. And yes, if you like this video, please do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family so that they are also aware of the side effects. And yes, bye, stay happy, stay safe, and stay healthy.